Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable preserve camera exposure adjustment on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On your home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, go down and tap on Camera. Next, in the camera settings, go down and tap on Preserve Settings, and then tap on Exposure Adjustment Switch to switch it on or switch it off. And by default, this is switch off. So with this turn on, your camera can preserve the exposure adjustment rather than automatically reset and always show the exposure adjustment indicator. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.